Hey there, awesome people. How are you guys doing? So this is your vBro from Tech Week, and so today in this video we'll be learning about how you can disable Windows Update or automatic Windows Update on Windows 10, as you might know already, with just few clicks. As we know already that we cannot disable Windows Update directly by toggling any switch or something like that, and even though if you go to Windows settings and go to updates, you will not find any option that will just disable Windows Update with just one go. So in this video, I'll show you how you can easily disable Windows Update on any version of Windows 10. Let it be Windows 10 Enterprise, Home, or any Professional. But before starting the video, I would like to share that only 0.8% of you guys are subscribed to my channel. So this is very unfortunate, but if you guys really enjoy this video, please do consider subscribing to my channel and also like this video because it just really helps me a lot. Alright, so the first thing I want you guys to do is just go ahead to my description, and there you'll find this website. Go there and you need to just scroll down. All right, you just scroll down until you find this download button. Click on here and wait for a few seconds until the file to get downloaded, and make sure you have WinRAR or any applications as such installed to you inside your computer. Don't worry if you don't have WinRAR. I will give a link of WinRAR in the description, so you can go ahead, download it, and install it on your computer. Alright, now open up the compressed file or the RAR or the RAR file. It depends on what you say, and then extract it to any of the desired location. Like for this video, I'll be extracting it onto my desktop. Now go inside the folder and then right click on the respective file. Now the one with x64 written on it is for 64-bit Windows, and the one which is written nothing is for the 32-bit Windows. Now as my system is 64-bit, I'll right click on the x64 file and then click on Open as Administrator. Once the application is opened up, you can see that there are two options. Basically, they are like enable updates and disable updates. It is that simple. Now on the right hand side of the application, you can see that the current status of Windows Update. Now what you need to do is just go ahead and click on disable updates. Below that you can also see protect services settings. Let it be ticked. You just don't need to touch anything, and I'll just click on apply now. After a few seconds, you can see that your status has changed to service is disabled. Now in this way you can just easily disable Windows Update. Now if you go to settings and try to check for updates, you will get this error right here. You can also enable Windows Update by using the same application. Like if you want to change your mind that you want the latest and the greatest Windows or the Microsoft updates for your Windows 10 computer, then you can use this application to do the same process. Just open it up with the administrative access as the way you did before, and then just select enable updates option and then click on apply. Again, wait for a few seconds and your update settings or the services will be up and running with no issues. Now you can go ahead and search for any updates and download it and install it in your computer. Well, in this way you can easily enable or disable Windows 10 updates on your computer. And remember guys, this works on any version of Windows 10. Let it be Enterprise, Professional, or Home. And if this video was really helpful, please do consider subscribing to my channel as it helps me a lot. This is vBro signing out from Tech Week. Have a great day. God bless you all, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.